Okay, good afternoon. It's Sunday afternoon here in Houston. I'm recording this for my brother. He wanted to see the EA that I'm currently using. I've been using it for about 7 months now. It's called Manage the PIP from managethepip.com. Anyway, we're just waiting for the market to open here. Um, Friday was a good day, had a nice run up, retrace. We'd expect the market just from looking at the MACD and stochastics to um, go a little bit lower, have a small retrace, maybe a little end pattern, double bottom, something like that, before the MACD finishes. What I use as my trigger is the stochastic will turn up first. Then I'm looking for my signal line to actually clear the histogram of the MACD, and then we're good to go. Anyway, so brother, here's the video. Hope it's a good day, and we'll just wait for the market to open. Okay, as expected, the market opened, got a little gap up, down. We're retracing to fill that gap. That's good. If we get here, we'll take a buy. So we take a sell. And you can see the EA tossed in the default. There we go. A feature of the EA has a lock-in feature. So you see it just snapped me 1 pip into the world's money. Now the pressure's off. We'll see what happens. We're anticipating going lower. Just stochastics is touching, but the MACD is still making lower lows, and signal line is still traversing low. EA just took the first peel off at 21 pips. My next one should be here at 34. It looks like we got a little more out of that. One of the things the EA does is when you do get a peel off, it hands it off to another little program, keeps a look at it, and as long as the next pip is in your direction of your trade, it hangs in there. Only till the market takes a little bit of a pause does it actually sell out. So instead of taking a hard line at 34 pips, if the next one's 35, I'll get 35 out of that kind of thing. So there we go. There's my third peel off at 55. And now we're just, it'll run to exhaustion or retrace, and the trailing stop will take it out. You can see the trailing stop doesn't move pip for pip, and that's controllable. I choose to have it just lock in at certain levels, and then once I get up over 70 pips, I shift. Instead of a trailing type stop, I'm actually just trailing a moving average rather than the price action itself. All right, so here's the little retrace, right? You can see that the histogram is still making lower lows, but the stochastics is touching, looking across itself. So we'll get a little retrace here. We'll let that go. We are looking to go up, but you got to have patience. I want that signal line to clear the histogram a little bit, so we'll see where things happen here. And we just got taken out from that first trade. That's all right. So that was a total of what? 50, 70, I don't know what, 103 pip. All right, since we got a lower low there, let's put a fib on from market open to the low, and then from the high to the low. See where we're going to have problems coming in. All right, here's what we're expecting. So you can see that the histogram is doing as expected. Still making a little lower low, so we'll let that go, but like to get in somewhere around that low there. This is looking good. We got two tails, so these last candles. Yeah, we're right around the psychological number, right? 4,300. So the market's stalling a little bit. Take that buy. Right, you can see our MACD is made now 2 sticks, scaling back up, and we're clearing the histogram with our signal line. Is that EA locking us in the world's money, so we're pressure's off. It's 21 pips. The EA just moved up, snapped out a second level. So we've taken 50% off the table. Let's measure this here, see how far it's gone. Look at that. That second one, it normally takes it 33, made it all the way up to, 34, made it all the way up to 55 before selling out. That's much better than putting in a hard take profit at 34, right? 16 extra pips. Nice. It's our third take profit. And we've made it back up to the 61.8 retracement. All right, and there we go. We've closed that trade. I'm going to continue to trade, but we've had a pretty good day. Uh, 2 trades, we're up a couple hundred pips. Oh, here's a nice pattern forming, right? It's just market's taking a breather, but most of the time these are just continuation patterns. Nice. Let's see if we can catch a little of this action. I was thinking of ending the video, but we're easily able to stay over the 61.8. So if we were to get in, we'd want to stay in and try to make it to that 100% retracement. So there we go. That's the second candle above. So let's go ahead and get in there. All right, it's logical to keep that stop loss below the 61.8 until we can lock into the world's money. Although I use a different method, if you choose to use fib levels inside the EA, those settings are there also. You can take profits at fib levels, or you can use it to manage your trailer. There we go. So we're locked in. Great. Worst case scenario, we can make 1 pip. There's another 21. I'm probably going to run out of time here on the video size. So there's the second 34. So we've just peeled off another 50-ish pips. Very nice. We didn't quite make it up to 100, so I'm anticipating we'll probably retrace here, but the market will do what it wants to do, right? We haven't quite seen the highest high yet, right? Because our signal line is still rolling up. So let's see if we can get a little more profit out of this thing. Move that trailer up there. There it goes. Oh, there's another 12 pips if it happens to come back that low. Nice. We did finally make it to the 100% retracement. Well, it's a nice little topping pattern, right? And it looks like we're going to get taken out. Yes. All right. So, okay. So that's the end of the video. I hope you got an idea of how I manage the PIP, and I'll talk to you later, brother.